Hi, this is Larry with ManCave Mayhem. I want to do an unboxing and a review of the Husky Bed Liner mat. Now, this is a economical alternative if you don't want to put in a bed liner or don't want to spend the money on a spray-in bed liner. This gives you an opportunity to protect your bed in a more economical way. I think this bed mat was like 130 bucks. So we're gonna go ahead and get it unboxed and see what we think of this. I'll let you know my first impression of it, and we'll see if it's really what it's cracked up to be. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Check us out at Instagram at ManCave_Mayhem. Now, let's get on with the video. So the part number for this, if you guys want to reference this, I have a 157-inch wheelbase truck, and this is a 6-foot 7-inch bed. The part number on this for the bed mat is a 16009. We're gonna go ahead and get this opened up and put in the bed, and I'll tell you what my first impressions are. All right, well, that's in now. Didn't take much, but it is a heavy freaking mat, especially for this longer bed. You can see that it's rippled back here. You just gotta allow it time to kind of relax from being rolled up in this box for 1,000 years or whatever. But you can look right here and see it's a pretty thick mat. It does have space that allows your bed to breathe a little bit. So I don't think it's gonna be an issue. I know it kind of seals down here, but yeah, it's a fairly thick mat, and it's going to protect the bed, especially in these Ford trucks. They have aluminum beds, and I'm just a little leery about not having something in there. I hate my bed to get all scratched up, even though I use this for, well, I don't know that I use it as a truck where I put a lot of nasty stuff in it, but I want to be able to put things in there and not destroy my bed. So that's what we got going on there. Again, it's rippled up because it needs to relax a little bit. So I'm sure that's going to lay flat here soon. Also, the fit on it is really nice. It looks like it goes around the wheel wells real nicely and up against the cab real nice. I'll get up inside the cab and I'll show you, because it's not really, it looks funny because it's all rippled. So we'll get up there and I'll show you. All right, so I'm just going to show you, I'll give you a view of just how it fits around the edges of the truck. Once this lays flat, it'll go up pretty close to the bed. And you can see that I'm stepping on it right now. This needs to be moved up a little bit. But overall, the fit and the quality seems very good. And so, again, this is just a inexpensive alternative if you don't want to put in a bed liner, like a drop-in bed liner, or maybe spend the money to have a spray-in liner done. All right, this mat's been sitting in the sun now for about 20 minutes and it's already laying flat. So that was just all. It's gonna be a little ripply at first when it comes in, the way it's packed, but it lays in the bed really nice. Overall, I like the appearance of it, and I think it's gonna work out really well to keep things from sliding around in the bed of the truck and also protect the lower part of the bed. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Check us out at Instagram at ManCave_Mayhem for more videos. And just remember, folks, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks again for watching.